Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you punks, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? In the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the clothes? We do not listen to rap.
Hey lovies, welcome back to Queen J's World. It's your girl Queen J, back with another video. So today we are in New Orleans. Your girl had to handle some business, so while we're out here we just figured we go get something to eat. So we are on our way to, actually I don't know where we're on our way to because we were going to this place called Acme, but I didn't want to eat anywhere on Bourbon because you know, if you're from Louisiana, you know it goes down on Bourbon. So I didn't really want to eat from a restaurant on Bourbon, and that's where it was. So we are going somewhere else. We just had to get out of the clutter because, girl, we were definitely cluttered. Babe, say hi.
What's happening? What's happening?
How you feeling today, babe? You looking handsome.
Thank you.
Looking fine.
Pretty regular, thank you.
You looking fine, and he on mine.
What's it, Monday? Monday's busy.
Today is Monday.
Every day is pretty busy in New
Yeah,
Orleans,
but so okay. Yeah, every day is busy in New Orleans. Let's get this. Okay, let's get it.
Yeah, there's a lot going on. There's a lot. See, I think that's what make a Monday busier because you got deliveries and stuff like this around this time.
Yeah, everybody's going back to work. It's the first day after the weekend. Mondays are really busy, and that's why people don't like them.
And you still got these Monday tourists too. Like, look, every corner there's somebody delivering.
Yeah, so. And the tourists, because they had children out. Actually, I saw some children with their parents going to the shopping center. Some going down, just walking. I guess they're going find somewhere to eat and stuff like that. So it's like a really busy all the time. So I gotta be like early.
Yeah.
Be coming out here early because that's what she was stressing though.
I let him check yourself out.
2 hours.
2 hours.
Yeah. Because that'll give me an extra, 40 minutes.
Hour 30 for sure. Getting up out of there. But then you got to see how it is because you'll be coming in at 10 too. So
Yeah. I'll be coming in late. So majority of the stuff already be in motion at that point.
Alright. We need to put something in so I can get around here.
getting drunk, so I type shit them, but don't hit send. Send some bread to the pen. All my G's are blessed, we checking for them. Whole lot of charges laid to this day, no confessions for them. Man, really feel no ways, these man ways, no progression for them. Think you're bad, just wait, get 8, and that's just lessons for them. Sosa, Fabi, looking like Katie and Kyrie. My TD Baker's on what? My TD Baker's on Kylie. Try back in the lobby. All these niggas getting dodgy. When we see them, it's a party. Fabi, Sosa, Viral, Movie. I'm in this bitch with the Wooski. Ball in the summer like Julie. Champagne got.
Hey lovies, it's been like a week since my last. Hold on a second, let me put y'all right here. Okay. It's been like a week since my last video in New Orleans, and I just want to update you guys on everything. So far, so good. Work has been great. Everybody's great. But I'm the type of person, you know, I'm going to stay to myself. And so, not to call you on ways, yeah, whatever. There's still like paperwork. Because when you're a table game dealer, it's like a lot of stuff that you got to handle before you can, you know, get your license. It's like a gaming license that you have or whatever. If you don't have that, you can deal. So I've been like ripping and running, doing all of this paperwork and stuff for my license, and so we are almost done with that. So just to update you guys, work has been great, absolutely amazing. It's over before I know it. Yeah, it's been great. I have absolutely no complaints. But this morning, I think is this like a week later? Or is it like 2 weeks later? It's about 2 weeks later. The New Orleans video, my bad, y'all. I haven't been filming, but it's just been kind of hectic or whatever. But anyway, this morning we are in Waffle House. I'll show you guys. That'll probably be good for the vlog. I'm gonna show you because you're not wearing no clothes. But anyway, we're in Waffle House this morning having a little breakfast date. We were supposed to just grab breakfast because we were going to have a lunch date, but I guess we're not going to have a lunch date. Anyway, so you guys are going to come with me. I'm going to go get my nails done, and probably that's it. I need to get my brows arched too because it's been a while. Like my face is starting to rough because it's been so long, but yeah, you guys are gonna come with me. So I will see you guys I will see you guys whenever the food comes. Right now we just trying out orange juice and kind of wait for everything to be. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next little bit. Good morning, guys. So as you guys can see, your girl redid her hair. This is.
Need something at the gas station?
No, we still stopping at Sonica.
We can.
Yeah. Anyway, your girl redid her hair, so it's looking good. It's looking really good. I'm really happy with it. But anyway, I had 2 off days, and I'm just gonna tell you guys, in my 2 off days, I could not sleep at all. Like, I couldn't get any sleep, and I don't know if I was worried about going back to work, and the fact that I only had 2 off days, but I could not sleep like at all. Like, and so finally last night I was able to go ahead and go to sleep. But my dreams, like my dream last night was so vivid, and I felt like I was hot, the air was on. I'm like, oh my God, like I'm just miserable. And it's my time of the week, so that's probably what it is too. Like, I just been having this week been just like freaking miserable. But your girl goes back to work today. I am gonna say, because I started talking about it yesterday, I am loving my new job. You know, it is what it is for the most part. You know, I don't really have any complaints. I like what I do. So, and hopefully this will help me to finish paying off school so that your girl can be a news reporter, coming to y'all very soon, honey. I only have I got 4 semesters, so either 2 years or like 4 straight semesters, just straight out. So I'm like really trying hard, guys, to go ahead and get back in school and finish it. But I am preparing for my wedding. We are hoping to have our wedding next year. So you know, it's paying for school and paying for a wedding is like a lot, you know. So we'll see. We're keeping our fingers crossed. We're keeping our prayers up, you know. Gotta stay prayed up, because nothing will come into fruition if you do not. But so far, guys, I'm super happy. The Lord has been blessing me left and right, and I'm so happy, and I'm so thankful to him. And yes, okay, honey, last night, yesterday, I was caring for my dogs, and I realized that Lily, the one that we got like a year ago, she was not really feeling well last night. She wasn't herself. She was like really lethargic and stuff. And so we just kind of, you know, I kept an eye on her last night, and this morning she's looking a little better. So I'm just gonna keep an eye on her, and if she doesn't seem like she's getting better, then I'm gonna go ahead and take her to the vet and see what they suggest. But yeah,
You too fine.
all right, I'll see. I thank you, babe.
You too fine.
Thank you, babe.
Oh, my bad.
A kiss. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, lovies, so I don't know if it was me or the sunlight, but I could not see my camera at all. So I decided to come back into the car, but I'm going to go and get my nails done. It's been a long time since I got my nails done. So I decided, you know, go ahead and treat yourself, girl. So I am here now, and I really don't even know what color I'm going to get. I was leaning toward, I don't know, I might do pink tips. I don't even know, y'all, but we'll see whenever I get back in the car. But I'm gonna get you guys some footage while I'm in here, and yeah, so come with me.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know.
It is Friday. I think it's Friday. Is it Friday? It's Friday, and your girl has to go back to work again today. So I have to take that drive. But it's crazy because it's like they are kind of like forcing me to call in because they want me to come in and meet with state police for some, I don't even know why. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I don't know what is going on, but they want me to come in and meet with state police. I've never had to do it before, but they want me to come in at like 9:30 in the morning, and it's ridiculous because I have to work. Like, I work overnight, and after I get off from work, I have to go home, and home is an hour away, right? So, or like an hour 20, you know, if I'm going the speed limit or whatever. So hour 20 I get home. If I get off at like 4 o'clock, I'm getting home and get to the car, blah blah blah, get home close to 6 o'clock, and then you're telling me I have to be back for 9. So I have to, like, as soon as I get home, I would have to like drop my kids off, turn around and come back. Like, that's ridiculous. So your girl is going to have to be forced to call in for the first time, and it sucks because I didn't want to call in at all. Like, at all. That's ridiculous. Like, it's really ridiculous. And the fact that the meeting is like unnecessary, like it's 100% unnecessary, is like no reason for it, is even like more aggy. But it is what it is. Your girl gotta work. Your girl gotta, you know, do whatever them people are asking of her. So I'm gonna go back up there. But anyways, right now it is a beautiful Friday. It is, we are the snowball stand. There's Babe with his snowball. So yeah, and then we're gonna go grab some food. Only thing is, like, my appetite lately has not been anything. Like, I haven't been eating anything. Look, y'all, I'm losing weight Like, I'm losing weight. I've lost probably about, I feel like I lost at least 2 pounds this week. Thank you. Because I haven't been eating or whatever. So, yeah. But anyway, we're about to go get some food. So hopefully your girl can smash this up. And it'll be my first meal like that I'm eating in 2 days. If I could eat it or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to put the phone down so I can get my ass to the car.
Baby, don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking to together, cause we don't know how. There's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes love exception. So why oh why oh why oh why
So today we are in New Orleans. We're back in New Orleans. We are here to eat, honey. And right now we're just wasting a little time. Babes with me. Right now we're just wasting a little, right there. Right now we're just wasting a little time in the mall. Waiting for the place where we're going to eat to open. Hang on a second, let me clean that up. So blurry. I'm so sorry guys if it's blurry. I left my camera at the house, so I really didn't feel like bringing, ooh, that is pretty though. I really didn't feel like bringing my camera with me today. Really, I didn't think that we would be here long because I just had to, you know, handle some business or whatever. So, but right now we are in the food court. Steak and fries. Anyway, yeah, right now we are in the food court, and I guess we're just gonna walk around here for a little bit. Shout out to Shein. No, they didn't send me this, but it's like my, I want to say, second time wearing this dress. But I'm no longer shopping from Shein because I'm hearing bad stuff about them, like about how they some girl had something that she had, and as soon as she put it on her hand, it dissolved into her skin. So she realized that she had actually, and her hand went numb all the way up her arm. So she was like, oh my goodness, like, you know, I've been poisoned. And so she had to go to the hospital and everything. I'm like, you know what? This time I had to pull up to the Christmas party.
Yeah.
I know. I should get this one for
That's pressure.
for our pictures.
This one too.
Nah, cause I got something like that already.
Not like exactly like this.
That's cute though.
This too.
Let's go up in there. Look how cute this stuff is. Where are you gonna take me?
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you. Nobody else makes me.
Hey guys, so babe just bought me this outfit. I don't know if I want to show you guys.
Oh, you can wait?
Yeah, I'll wait. Y'all will see it one day whenever we go, wherever we're going. Whenever we go. But anyways, it's so adorable. But there's so many cute things in it. I don't know what the name of that store was. And what I should have done, I should have gotten a better video on the inside of that. Oh, look at this island.
I don't remember coming to this part of the last time, huh?
Me either. I don't know.
Which way did...
Further away over there somewhere. Because when we walked in, remember one of the first stores we saw was Guess. Because that was one of the first ones that we went into.
Sports store. It was a sports store. It had like jerseys and stuff.
And Guess, and then Route 21. I mean, Forever 21 was right there.
Then we went to what, Calvin Klein or something.
Yeah, that's where we got underwear from. Calvin Klein. I think we spent the most money at Calvin Klein. Yeah, but the stuff was on sale though, so we had to get it. I want some more Calvin Klein underwear because those are like my most comfortable underwear.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like those better than, like, I don't like the Victoria's Secret underwear because first of all they don't last. That's first, because these were Victoria's Secret underwear. They don't last, and they aren't comfortable. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Aw, look at the little play area.
You wanna use her to leave?
Where you trying to go now? Where you trying to go now?
I don't know. I was trying to see where the rest of the store is at.
I mean, I guess we could. You want to? Alright guys, so now we are finally about to leave the mall. We wasted enough time, but we gotta go get some food. We are starving. I'm super hungry. Babe's super hungry. Gotta get out. Wait to eat. But hopefully I'll be able to. It's crazy because if you guys watched our Mardi Gras vlog, if you haven't, I'll drop the link in the description below. Just make sure that you guys subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. But whenever we came here, we got to a certain point and then we just kind of turned around and went back home. But we had a lot going on though, babe, because we was trying to go eat, plus we was trying to make it back for the parade and all of that. So we had a lot. That was like that was really fun, and we were just right here in New Orleans.
And it was last minute.
Yeah, last minute.
We go to Lake Charles, but I had my ID.
Right.
So he's like, shit, it's Mardi Gras.
Yeah.
See if we get a hotel. That's what it was. See if we get a hotel.
Right.
We found a hotel, booked the ASAP.
I hope my mom's not messing up my sound on my dang vlog. Cause look, she calling me in. Yeah, it was so last minute. We weren't originally supposed to come here or whatever, and oh, we're supposed to get some of that pralines. Oh, wait, hold on, y'all.
Like a loaf of bread. Oh, look at cookies and cream candy. That's
really good.
Fudge.
Rice Krispie treats, Mississippi mud.
It's an M&M Rice Krispie treat.
All of this stuff looks good. But anyway, so yeah, so it was all last minute, but we ended up having a really, really amazing time. That was our last time that it was just us together on a trip. And we've been obviously bringing the kids and stuff everywhere that we go. They have a really good time. But see, my kids are kind of bougie. right? So they be wanting to go out of town, honey. They don't just be wanting to do stuff. They would be wanting to go out of town. They like the hotels and stuff, and they like, which is fine because that's how I am, you know. So I want some kids that like to move around. So my kids are bougie, okay? They're really bougie, especially Gianni. He's the worst.
What are we doing for Mom's birthday?
Okay, he couldn't wait. I'm like, oh, we may not be going out of town. What? We're not going on vacation?
For your
Okay, well, let's see. But anyway, we will see you guys whenever we get to the restaurant. Oh, guys, somebody's about to do the burger challenge over here. I'm about to go do this. I'm about to go do the video.
Oh yeah, that's not 30.
Oh, that's 30 seconds. I wanted to see the burger. I ain't gonna put it. I know. You know I know. I'm like, hold on. Perfect. All right, y'all, so we are about to leave Bobby A Bears. I still got so much food. Oh my god, I didn't even touch my salad, but I figured I'll just take that to work. And I ate so much of the red beans and rice, and I still have so much left. Thank you. But yeah, what I was showing y'all earlier a minute ago is somebody's doing a burger challenge, and it's like it's funny because we were just talking about it, and we've been watching Joel all the time. We just love to watch those. I don't know, maybe he watches it because I like to watch it or whatever, but it was pretty cool to have somebody to be actually doing it while we're here. So, but anyway, we're about to leave and we're about to get back on this road, go home. So I will see you guys in the next video.